Welcome back everyone to the Remote Lunchbox. Today we're going to be making a fajita toast. So what we're going to do is we're going to start off very simply today. I have some leftover chicken and some bell peppers from the night before. I'm going to throw these onto my cutting board. And what I'm going to do essentially is I'm going to just chop them up. So I got some nice peppers, nice onions. We're gonna shred them up a little bit just like that. Slide these over to the side. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start building my toast. Very simple. I use a type of bread called carbonate. It's a low-carb bread. Again, you can most likely find it at your local Costco. Just something to kind of keep things a bit lighter from the dough perspective. So start off with your toast right here. It's gonna be packed with a lot of protein. Add a little bit of avocado, just like that. Or guacamole. This is some leftover guacamole that my wife made. Really, really good. A lot of lemon, some onions in there. So just like that, we're gonna stack it like this. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna take all of our chopped chicken and peppers, spread them out just like that. It might be a little too much, but that's okay. You don't need to put all of it. You can put some on the side on your plate. And then what I like to do is I like to add a little bit of cheese. I'm gonna add a little bit of shredded cheese just on top, just like that. So just some mozzarella cheese, my little handy tiny shredder. A little bit of sour cream on top. Make it pop. And then my personal favorite, a little bit of jalapeños, just like that. A couple pieces of jalapeños. So there you go. Nice, easy, work from home lunch. Don't forget to subscribe for more content and stay tuned. Now, back to work.